we right now?
We're in Mykonos town. What time is it?
It's only like 10:30, yeah.
10:30, and apparently that's very early for a lot of people. And so it is completely dead here.
Compared to like Santorini.
Well,
or
at this time.
The popular,
day,
places.
I feel like these little like pockets of towns are just a lot of shops.
Yeah, especially where everyone comes to see Mykonos town. So like,
yeah,
a lot of people
come in.
It's
just like shopping.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful, but it's like the only free thing to do is take photos.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of photo opportunities, but for people who don't like to shop, like us.
Come early if you want to take photos because there's literally nobody. I don't know. Mm-hmm. We're also here during low season.
Yeah, it's like just starting. So like most of the big tourist spots are just opening up.
And it's cheaper. It's definitely cheaper. I don't know. I think they hike up the prices. When? Now?
Yeah, I think
it's
like just starting.
Now?
Like my buddy said, May 1st is when a lot of places like start opening up.
And it's May 1st right now, so
I
feel like it's still just like right on the cusp of.
People are just starting to paint they're just finishing painting.
Yeah, they're finishing painting everything. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
Still a lot to see in this town, and then I don't know.
You want a Euro?
Yeah, you gotta try all the Euro places around. Souvlaki.
Yeah, that's like the cheapest food here too.
If you pay more than like €3, you're getting like ripped off. But it's super good.
Nate's the Euro expert.
Yeah.
I hate filming when people are walking by.
Nah.
Sunscreen is freaking expensive.
Oh yeah. Bring it and then don't lose it because we lost ours on the boat the other day.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we went
that
on a nice
hurt.
boat tour. We went on a nice boat tour. Yeah. Was that yesterday? No,
two days
ago. The boat tour we took was normally €165. It was a catamaran with those like fancy looking nets at the front of the boats. It felt like so ritzy. It was a really good deal. We got it for €85.
€85, unlimited drinks. We got
unlimited like buffet food.
Some good Greek food, for 5 hours. I think it was like 5-hour trip. So
yeah, it was 5 hours. It was like a sunset one, and it was beautiful. And so if you're gonna go on a boat tour, go during the off season. We got lucky with some warm days. Today's a little overcast.
Yeah, probably no beach day today. So
I'm going to
we'll see.
Everything that I was reading about
beaches,
was beaches and
nightclubs.
As far as drinks go, though, I think we're probably gonna end up making our own drinks. Nate decided to buy a box of wine. We have 3 nights left.
3 nights left to drink.
Oh,
we'll be fine. We'll drink it all tonight.
What? Also, the buses are really easy. The buses are like €1.80 usually. Also, walking is really nice. We walked our first 2 days in Santorini, and then you get to see more of everything. I feel like I talk about that in all my travel videos. I'm like, just walk.
Yeah.
Walk always, because then you run into things that you don't see normally. Yeah. We should probably introduce you.
Oh yeah, I'm Nate, everybody.
Nate. How did we meet?
We met my freshman year of college. I was an 18-year-old, and you were
22.
In my fencing class, because I took a Phi-Ed, and the teacher said pick a partner, and I looked around, and she seemed pretty normal, so.
Little did you know.
She's not.
But I beat his ass every time.
I took like 3rd or 4th in the class tournament.
Yeah,
what did you take?
There.
Oh yeah, you weren't there. The title of this video better be Nate takes 3rd place in fencing class.
Nothing to do, not at all to do with grace.
Right. Oh yeah, mine.
Goodbye. Nate's gonna be my travel boyfriend, we decided, so we could pretend. Oh.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All
we are.
Coming to you live.
From, do we know the name of this beach?
Panormos.
Panormos. It's actually a really nice beach. I don't know if it's just because there's no tourists here or not, but
Yeah.
the water's super calm. I think it's because it's kind of like a little inlet.
The Aegean Sea has some of the most clear water I've ever seen. And blue. It's like clear and blue. Clear, and then there's less fish. But we did see a guy who caught a squid yesterday.
Oh yeah, he was beating it to death.
He's beating it with a wooden paddle.
I don't know why he was beating it. If anyone wants to tell us why he was beating it.
Why do you beat a squid after you catch it?
Sounds like a bad joke.
Yeah.
You got an ATV?
Yeah, rented an ATV yesterday because I didn't feel like walking. I think that's a big thing here is like renting a vehicle, either a car, an ATV, or a moped.
It's a bigger island than I thought it was. I feel like it was more worth it here than Santorini. Just because Santorini, we could literally walk everywhere in Santorini.
Santorini felt smaller and like easier to get to around.
Yeah,
but...
and there was like more things closer. Versus here, it's like if you want to go remote, it's a little bit harder to walk to because the roads go in and out so much.
Yeah.
Like so just to get to that beach we went to yesterday, it was super close to where we were staying if we walked along the coastline, but there were private roads so we couldn't go on them. So I had to walk like into the middle of the island and then back out to the beach. It was kind of ridiculous.
It's definitely worth it if you want to see the entire island. But if you just want to hang out at one beach and go to Mykonos town, then you don't really need it.
Well, if you're staying where we're staying.
Yeah, true. I don't know.
Depends on where you're staying.
It was worth it because it's fun.
This is our last like full day.
I'm gonna miss our little apartment.
Yeah, it was a cute apartment.
Signing off.
Goodbye. What was that? Did you just whip it?
Kinda. I don't know.